Today we're in Chinatown Broome. This is pretty much the main street of Chinatown. It's a cafe which we're going to go and have lunch at later. This is Wings store. Wings General Store. When I was a kid, we used to go do some pictures on a Friday night and walk over here and buy all our salty plums and dried mango to take into the movies. I'll get some salty plums later and show you. That's some pictures over there. Two things we used to have to do on a Friday night. Some pictures or PCYC roller skating. Big choice we had. But yeah, this is Wings for our salty plums. There they are. Dried salty plums. Lots to choose from. To get some of them. Try your new hat on.
Yeah, my hair.
That's a good hat.
My hair.
I've just finished renovating all Chinatown. They've put in all these new chairs, new shade covers, gardens, Anastasia's curl shop. Here's some pictures. To come here on a Friday night, watch whatever movie was playing, and a long time ago, before they closed off Chinatown, when it was a super high tide in Broome, the tide used to come in and you'd get your feet wet sitting in watching the movies. Doesn't happen anymore. Chinatown doesn't flood anymore because they've changed it all. But pretty good in the day. The world's oldest operating pictures. It's over 100 years old now. So we're going to have a look inside. What's playing?
Little Women is on, I think.
Here we go.
Walk in here, and I'm pretty sure we used to pay our money here. This is the front entrance with all the lovely old film equipment and actors, pictures of actors on the wall. Brand New Day was a Broome musical. Awesome it was. And here's all the seating. He's going to have a go on the little Chinaman's chair. I'm pretty sure this is all the original decking.
So when I used to come on a Friday night, we pretty much used to sit in this row here. I don't know why. We just used to sit here. In one of those most uncomfortable chairs in the world, but we did. And when the planes land, they come straight over the top of the cinema. The airport's just behind there.
We've done a lot of work on it. I don't remember there being grass and plants there when I was younger, but I wish there were because it's pretty awesome. There they all are. No movies are on, guys. You've got to wait till it's dark. Nice try.
Pretty cool, isn't it? Look at it. So cool. Little deck chairs. You definitely need some of this when you're watching the movies. That's for sure. This is the new lookout they've built in Broome. Everyone's up there looking out.
Oh, look at this, fancy seeing you here.
Oh, fancy seeing you at a lookout. Some chairs. Artwork. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. We'll walk up to the top and see what the view's like. It was always a pretty good view from up here, but you couldn't really access it. Now they've built a nice lovely lookout.
Dampier Creek.
It's a nice view of Dampier Creek over there. Here they all are, you beat us. Hi. Oh, this looks good, doesn't it?
I love that.
So that is Dampier Creek over there, and in the far distance over there is Crab Creek where we were yesterday.
He beat. And a big.
Roebuck Bay is usually a beautiful aqua blue, but it's a bit overcast today and it is the wet season, so it's a bit grey and murky.
Water.
And that is the main, or one of the main roads to Chinatown down there, or Dampier Terrace. Yeah.
Oh, one more.